You've probably seen how to fix a flat tire with this tool. You insert this tool into the hole and move it in and out. The helical shaft prepares the hole. After preparation, you insert a piece of rubber in this slot and push the tool into the tire so the rubber is pushed into the hole, and then pull the tool out quickly, leaving the rubber behind. But what do you do if the tool can't be pushed into the hole because the hole is too small? In that case, you need to drill a larger hole in the tire. Sounds crazy, and it might feel wrong drilling a hole in your tire, but this will work. When I repaired my hole, I started out drilling with a 5/32 inch bit and worked my way up in size until I drilled a 1/4 inch hole. A 1/4 inch hole was just large enough that I could push the tool into the hole. When your hole is that small and regular in shape, you don't need to use any rubber cement, so just buy the tool without rubber cement. Cut off the excess rubber sticking out of the hole with a utility knife and you're good to go. I almost forgot. Be sure to have some way to put air in your tire after you're done. You'll lose a lot of air while you're doing this. Thanks for watching.